the martyrdom of Imam Hussein. Imam rides towards the enemy. There is a shower of arrows. Imam ignores the arrows and rides on. He wants to make one last effort to preach true Islam to the enemies of Islam. He stops and turns towards the enemy and begins to speak. "O those of you who do not know me, know that I am the grandson of the Holy Prophet. I am on the path of truth." Yazid personifies falsehood and corruption. He wants to lead you away from Islam. Do not follow him. Do not kill the grandson of Allah's messenger. Allah will never forgive you. Remember that when you see a ruler who does what has been forbidden by Allah and His messenger, who indulges in sins, who oppresses the people he rules, and you do nothing to stop such a ruler, before Allah you are as guilty as he is. You know my ancestry. My parents did not raise me to submit myself to an evil tyrant. I am your Imam. You have surrendered the freedom of your mind to the evil ways of Yazid. If you do not care for Islam, do at least care for the freedom of your spirit. Umar Asad cries out, "Do not fall victims to Hussein's oratory! Kill him!" From all directions, the soldiers advance towards Imam Hussein with their naked swords. Imam Hussein takes out his sword and begins to fight. Thirsty, tired, wounded, grieving, our Imam fights as no one had ever seen anyone fight. Wherever he turns to, the soldiers flee as rabbits do at the sight of a lion. Umar Asad sends all his best warriors against Imam. They all perish. No one dares come near our Imam. Imam stands on his stirrups. Hussein looks at the sky. Yes, it is the time of Asr. Hussein returns the sword into the sheath. Seeing that Imam has sheathed his sword, the enemy comes from all sides. Some throw stones at him, some hit him with swords. Arrows are shot at him. Suddenly the horse stops. Imam Hussein falls from the horse, but his body does not touch the ground. It is resting on the blades of the arrows. He performs his Asr prayers, lying on this mat of arrows. Now he goes into his last sajda and says, "O Allah, all praises to you and you alone." Someone is moving towards where Imam is in sajda on the arrows. He's holding a dagger in his hand. It is Shimr. He comes towards our Imam and mounts on his chest. With 12 strikes of his dagger, Shimr cuts our Imam's head, slowly and painfully. The earth had trembled, Euphrates had broken its banks. From the camp of the family of the Holy Prophet, such lamentation arose as had never been heard before. As the sun was setting in the horizon, the soldiers rushed to Imam Hussein's camp in search of booty. They looted every tent. Every lady and every girl was stripped of her veil. Fatima's daughters were left bareheaded. They set fire to all the tents. Such evil, such oppression, the likes of which never seen before. Imam Hussein's sacrifice, his fight against oppression and injustice, revealed to the Ummah the true face of the Umayyad Caliphate and prevented the destruction and the elimination of Islam, and taught us to never surrender to the oppressor and always stand with the oppressed.